there. How about you, dear?
Hello po, I'm Mayaka. So, I'm originally from Japan po. Then, I just moved back here to pursue my dreams. But since I was little, I used to join competitions din po, TV shows and teleseries din po. But performing is really my passion po.
Okay. Were you joining contests before? Or...
Yes po, I used to join TV shows po, or competitions like Little Miss Philippines, Mini po.
Okay. How about you, dear?
Hello po, I'm with Audrey, and wala po akong masyadong background on singing, like professionally, kasi I used to be a professional dancer po, and I used to choreograph their solo singles. So ako yung nag-choreograph ng Hiraya, ng Ningning, and yung Extra Time po. So, na-discover po nila na kumakanta po ako, so they gave it a try. And ayun nga po, since may binuo po pong girl group sa pop music, so ayun po, doon na po ako na-sali dito.
Okay. And who's the person that put you together? Is it, of course, the CEO? Did we have a hand on forming you guys? Or
yes po, sa music po. And personally po, more of Boss Jumbo de Belen from Flip Music po. The head producer po of Flip Music.
Alright. Now that you are coming out, sinabi kasi na parang they were in one competition. Yeah, something there.
It's okay. Hello po, I'm Maria, and ayun nga po ako. I joined the Voice Kids before, and nag-dance din po kami ng dance competitions din po before, and sumasali din po ako sa mga commercials and teleseries nung bata pa lang po. Ganda pa lang. Ngayon ganda pa lang. Pero ayun po, tapos bigla po akong nag-start na doon ng Flip Music, so it's like, parang nabigyan po talaga kami lahat ng second chance. Kasi once nabigo na po kami before, pero ngayon po, parang nabigyan kami ng light. Light.
Yeah. That's why you have that double victory. Palakpakan mo natin ang win. Thank you so much for your question. Meron po ba tayong other questions dito? Are there other follow-up questions? If you'd like to get to know Win more, find out more about, over here in the back, meron po tayong question dyan. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Anna with ABS. Congratulations on your debut. Can you tell me na lang, bilang before meron kayo diba, mga solos nyo, dito sa Tulala, how hands-on were you, especially sa inyong songwriting, in the whole single, from the visuals, to the lyrics, to the song?
At first po, of course, super dami pong adjustments. Since we live together po, and ayun po, super nag-adjust po kami ng mga first few months or weeks. And ayun po, eventually we love the process po, talagang nagtutulungan po kami, and every girl has their own strengths. So, sinishare po nila yon sa amin. Like, for example, her singing skills. So, ano po, talagang, ako po kasi, parang wala po ako masyadong experience on singing before. So, tinuruan niyo po ako, hinat niyo po ako. And ayun, nagtutulungan po kami, and we just trust each other. And ayun po.
Yes po, as we mentioned po, some of us came from singing, some of us from dancing, and some of us came from none. But instead of clashing po, we help each other, as she said. And we keep reminding each other why we started in the first place. We motivate each other, and
And in terms po of contribution po sa song, sa Tulala, one of the choreographers po ng Tulala na sinayaw namin kanina is si Audrey po, along with Coach Ania. Yes, and syempre, ang nag-compose po ng song namin na Tulala ay si Sir John Michael Conchada and Sir Jumbo de Belen, also Sir Matt Olavides from Flip Music. So we're very, very thankful po sa kanila for the banger, and for the beautiful song. And syempre po, Direct Nolan po sa music video naman po.
Alright, thank you for that question. Does anybody have a
Oh, there, to the back, right there. Hi there, sir.
Hi, I'm Ronald Gonzalez from Quezon Pictures. My question is for all the girls, starting from the girl in left. Of course, you're all singers and dancers, but do you consider acting? And sino yung idolo ng artista, and if ever mag-artista kayo, sino yung gusto nyo maging unang leading man?
Oh! Nag-isip na ba kayo? Alright, meron ba yan? Okay, so, how are you with acting? And kung mag-artista kayo, sino yung unang gusto nyong gaganap na leading namin nyo?
And your favorite actress or role model?
Yes. Me po, favorite actress po, Catherine Bernardo, since bata pa po, sobrang fan na fan po ako ng acting niya. And siguro po, celebrity crush po.
Kung meron kang celebrity crush na gusto mo maging leading man. Meron ba kayong mga crush kayo?
Dahil manilitan po. Sobrang idol ko po sila ni Belle. Sobrang ganda po nila tingnan on screen. So, I have big fan of them.
So would you consider acting if ever, aside from singing and dancing?
Yes po, if I would be given a chance po na to do so po.
Would anyone else like to answer that? Who else would like to consider acting?
Ako po, open po ako na matuto sa acting. Kasi before po, parang pangarap ko rin po na magkaroon ng commercials, ganyan. And sa leading na, wala pa po akong mag-isip. Pero favorite artist ko po si Sarah Geronimo.
Yes, okay, next.
Hello po, before po, dream ko na po talagang mag-acting po. Same po kami ni Idol. Parang ever since po napapag-usapan namin na, in the future, mag-acting tayo, something like that. And nagkaroon po ako ng first ever acting experience po sa music video po ni Miss Happy C po. And ang nag-direct po ay si Miss Cream Kim po. And ayun po, sandali na lang. Ayun po, super fun experience po. And doon ko rin po lalong na-realize na, ay, masaya pala mag-acting. Okay na.
Alright, what about Ayaka?
Favorite actress mo and dream leading man?
Oh, who's your favorite actress? Tapos, dream leading man.
Dream leading man? Wala pa rin po akong maisip, puro girl crush po kasi meron ako.
Idol artist.
Sino yung girl crush mo?
Sino?
Girl crush na lang po?
Oo.
Si Billy Maloy po!
Ayan, FIFA prize together talaga.
Okay, next. Sino pa yung hindi sumasagot?
Ayaka?
So yes po, since nag-acting po ako nung bata po ako, I really do love acting po. Actually, parang first love ko po talaga yung acting. And, sino ba? Actress po, definitely Miss Anne Curtis po. Super idol ko po siya from her aura and everything. Leading man, siguro, sana po hindi po siya artista, pero siguro po celebrity crush si Dwight Ramos po.
Alright.
Sana po, pag nag-change career po siya ito.
Or mag-aral ka mag-basketball?
Diba? Baka magtakbo kayo sa court. Okay. Mariel!
So for me naman po, sa kami ni Audrey po, si Miss Sarah G po talaga yung favorite kong actress ever since. Kasi actually hindi lang po sa pagiging actress na very total performer po kasi talaga siya. So siya po talaga yung favorite ko. And yes po pala, I would consider po acting if you were given a chance. And sa leading man, siguro po, hindi ko naman po siya like crush, but nagagaling po ako kay Joshua Garcia.
Okay, thank you girls, and more power and more success to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much for that question. Meron pa po ba tayo mga ayan dito? May tanong po tayo dito sa harap. Thank you so much for that question.
Hello, good afternoon. Good evening dapat. Girls, kasi yung first question niya kanina, can you tell us something about yourself? Halimbawa, how young are you? Nag-aaral pa ba kayo? Paano kayo na-handpick to be a member of Wing? Kasi kanina sinabi ng manager niya na happy kayo nag-audition. So yung tatlong yan. Thank you.
Thank you. O ayan, let's start with paano nyo nalaman na na-handpick kayo to be in Flip Music's newest girl group. And then, papalitan ko po yung iba. Ayan.
Ayun po, ako po, nag-message po sa akin si Sir Jumbo Develan if I'm open po sa girl group po since siya rin po yung nagsulat po ng song na from my past girl group. And sabi niya if I'm open po for a girl group po, to debut naman po. And ayun po, was Jumbo Develan the go?
Alright. Okay, Jean.
Before po, I was a pre-med student po nung mga time na yun. Like, medtech student po ako before and kakatapos lang po rin nung mga TV shows ko na nasalihan ko. And sabi ko, ala, siguro mag-aral na lang po ako ng ganyan. Then, naka-receive po ako ng super random na text message po from Phil Music. Sabi ko, totoo po ba to? Parang, kasi po, dream ko na po talaga yung T-pop ever since. Kasi po, gusto ko po talaga mag-perform, not only singing po, but also dancing po, and rapping, and everything.
Alright, thank you, Reggie. What about with Ayaka?
So yun po, since magkasama po kami ni Ate Jean dati sa mga auditions, ganyan, magkakilala po kami ni 12. And then, I got to know the music po through her. Then, yun po, nung nasa Japan po ako, I had an interview po with the music. Then, fortunately, yun po, na-handle po ako. Then, sabi ko po, yan, thank you Lord, ito na siguro to to pursue my dreams again. And I flew back again po dito sa Philippines to be a member of it.
Sorry sure, bakit nasa Japan ka?
I'm half Japanese, half Filipino po. And I was actually born and raised po here in the Philippines. Then I moved to Japan when I was 7. Then, doon po ako nag-aral po. I pursued my studies there.
Anong Japanese?
Sino yung Japanese sa family mo?
My dad po.
Alright. Now, with Audrey.
Hello po! Ako naman po, I used to be a working student po. And I worked as a production and nagda-dance po ako. And as I have mentioned earlier po, I'm a professional dancer and nagka-choreo po ako sa kanila before I was handpicked po. And ayun po, record po kami ng isang song with Sir Jumbo Develan po. And ayun po, I was handpicked to be the member of Wing and super happy po ako. Ginrag ko po siya adventure kasi po super dream po namin lahat po. And ako rin po, since bata pa po ako, I almost gave up, but ayun po, second chance po talaga.
Alright, thank you, Wing Audrey. What about Wing Mariel?
So for me naman po, during that time po, the dance competitions pa po ako in. Puno po ako training din sa sayaw kasi that time po parang nawala na po yung fire ko sa singing. And then when I got the message po na gusto po nila akong isahin as an artist, parang dun po talaga bumalik yung fire ko, parang nag-reignite po yung spark ko. So, short, let's see. Thank you so much, Sir Jumbo!
Ayan, so nag-message talaga to contact you. Okay, back to her question. Can you tell them, the press one thing about yourself that you'd like everybody to know that they might not know yet? Maybe something about your background, something that you like, something that you feel is uniquely you. Ayan, go. Wait, Audrey.
Poppy po.
Poppy, mahihingi ka ng kape, mag-offer ka.
Halos lahat po po yun. Parang, ayun po yung namin, source of energy sa training.
Okay, so they breathe coffee. Ano pa? What's another fun fact that they can learn about you?
Fun fact po sa akin, I'm a film student po. I graduated po, multimedia arts, major in film and video production.
Alright, thank you. Wait, Angelica. Who else would like to add to that? Wait, Ayaka?
Since foodie po ako, mahilig po ako sa street food. So, yun po pag weekends po, yun po talaga yung hanap ko po. Street food.
Alright. Wait, Jean. Ako po, I love anime po. So, sobrang adi ko po sa anime. Naiintindihan ko na po si Ayaka pag nagja-Japanese siya. Alright, and with Mariel.
Dati po, actually, parang takot po, hindi takot, parang nahihiya po ako mag-perform sa harap ng maraming tao. Although na-enjoy ko po talaga yung singing, dancing, pero parang before po, pero, before lang po yun, ngayon po parang I gained that confidence. Of course, through them then kasi motivate po na namin ang isa't isa palagi.
Alright, thank you very much. Do we have other questions? Yes? Hi there.
Hi everyone, I'm Jerry Binaga from the Philippine Star. What I find so unique about this group is that each member has her own songs, no? But of course, isa pa lang yung, di ba, one of the two pa lang yung pinakita nila. So my question is, what's your take on that? The kind of approach that you are totally different from the previous pop girl or pop girl groups na meron kayong sa each member, meron kayong parang ano to, yung sasabihin mo na kanta ninyo. What's your take on that? And another thing is, does the song represent your personality? And ano din yung participation ninyo in terms of the writing of the lyrics or the creation of the music?
Alright, thank you for that question. Alright, what do you feel now? You guys started with individual singles, 2 singles, prior to your launch as a girl group. And what was your participation or how do you think that affects your own personality?
Very po, super cool na po niya kasi parang hindi po siya very common in producing a girl group po na nagsistart po as soloist. And ang contribution ko naman po, nagsulat din po ako ng some parts po sa mga 2 solo songs ko po.
Alright, thank you so much, Wink Angelica. Anybody else would like to share their experience, yung kung gaano ka iba yung solos nyo versus your group song?
Ayun po, before po as soloist po, parang super, parang na-feel ko po na need ko po ng kasama. Parang as a soloist po, na-enjoy ko po siya. Pero ano po, at the same time, parang sabi ko, I think yung girl group po talaga is such a good idea po. Kasi before pa po kami maging soloist, alam na po namin na magiging girl group po kami. So, super excited po kami nun and matagal rin po namin sinikreto to. Tatago po kami as soloist po kami, soloist. Pero girl group po talaga. And yung pinakapasok ko sa personality ko po na song is yung first single ko po na Kadahakan. Yung kinanta ko po kanina.
Alright, with Marielle?
So, ayun po, syempre, as a soloist, it was of course challenging kasi mag-isa ka lang po, pero doon po namin nahanap yung sarili-sarili namin characters at doon po namin nag-build yung sarili-sarili namin mga flavors para pag pinagsama kami, ano naman namin, all-purpose food.
All-purpose
Pero,
food.
ayun po, super na-enjoy ka rin naman po namin. And syempre, ngayon, mas na-enjoy na po namin na magkakasama natin.
Alright, I think wait, Audrey was gonna add to that.
Of course, we have our own individuality po, but our main goal is to sound as one and hindi po siya madali. Years of training po talaga ang pinaghirapan po namin para po ma-perform po namin sa inyo yung gusto po namin mapapfeel sa mga tao. And ayun po, yung sa debut single ko po as artist of the music, nagsasuggest po ako kay kila Sir Jumbo de Belen concept, like R&B po kasi. So, ayun po yung style ko talaga. So, challenging po siya kasi as you can see, yung debut single po namin na Tulala, it's very different from my first single. So, ayun po, pinaghirapan po talaga namin to, kaya sana po na-feel niyo po yung gusto namin mapapagyan sa inyo. Thank you po!
Alright, and of course, Wink Ayaka.
For me po, I think it really helped me understand myself better po. And I'm fortunate enough na I'm surrounded with people who shares the same strong passion po for performing. And for our singles naman po, super, yung Food Music po, they let us share our ideas, super, they let us navigate our creative, creativity. And I wrote po the rap part po of Ichigo Girl. So I'm super happy po, super lucky na we have the music behind us and just forever grateful.
Alright, thank you. Were you able to get your answer for your question? Yes. Do we have, there we go, on this side, and then Iman. go. Hi there, sir. May I have your name and what is your question?
I'm Glenn Subonga from Showbiz Bonga. Congratulations sa win, sa successful debut launch. And syempre, lahat naman ng performers ng group gusto magkaroon ng collaboration, diba? So, individually, sino yung gusto niyong P-pop group na mga-collaborate? And sino yung solo singer? Kasi kumakanta kayo sa isa, diba? So, sino yung solo singer na gusto niyong maka-duet? Yan, bawat isa.
Alright, your dream collab P-pop group and your dream soloist collaboration.
So, my dream collab po, actually marami po sila. Si Kaya! Of course, my Kalista Ates, and of course, V. And then sa solo artist naman po, of course, si Sarah G. and si Miss Casey Tandingan kasi parehas po silang gagawin po talaga sila mag-perform on stage. Ayun po.
Thank you, Maria. What about
Audrey?
with Audrey?
Ako rin po, madam. Since halos lahat po ng P-pop group gusto po namin na makakolab. Ayan po, P-pop Rap! And sa solo naman po si Miss Sarah G po talaga. And Miss Casey, actually same po kami. We're the same person. Same person. So, ayun po.
Audrey, bago iba, bakit yung Audrey iba yung Steny? Curious lang ako.
Bakit Audrey ba ng O?
Parang iba naman.
Yun lang, para maiba lang.
Stylize lang.
Okay.
Sinayalize. Ayan, parang...
Ayaka.
Ayan, so with Ayaka.
Madami pa kayo na-idol sa Kaya, Kalista, G22, and mga other people groups pa dito. Sa
Solo singer lang. Gusto
Singer po.
makaduet.
si Miss Donalyn Bartolome po.
Wow. Kasi pareho kayo rapper. Pareho kayo rapper nga pala. Okay. Thank you, Ayaka.
Wait, Angelica?
Angelica?
I would go first of all, it's Cup of Joe!
Ang favorite part ko ng Cup of Joe talaga. And sa P-pop, ay soloist naman po, Sarah G. din po. And sa P-pop group naman po, Kaya SPIT! Siyempre, PDP po. Super dream po namin yung mga collabs nila.
Alright, and with Jean. Ako rin po madami din po, pero since super certified bloom po talaga ako, thank you po so much. And sa solo naman po, same din po sa kanila, ni Sarah G po. Idol ko na po siya since bata po ako. Since The Voice Kids po, hinahanap ko po siya. Kaya wala po pala siya ng season ko. Kaya po sana po makakolab ko na lang po siya. Tapos sa K-pop, ano to? K-pop group sa okay na po. Ayan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ayan, congrats sa inyo sa good luck sa more collaborations. And
Keep up right.
Thank you. Do we have another question? Oh, there. Right
Glenn.
There you go. Ayan, nangangati na siguro yung ilang ni Sarah G. somewhere.
Good evening, ladies. Marinel from Inquirer. I have two questions for you. Yung una kasi, Audrey mentioned na hindi naging madala in the beginning. Like 2 years of training, tama ba? Share something naman about yung 2 years na yun, ano yung mga memorable na ginawa, yung mga challenges, at yung mga nakakaiyak moments. And then us, pakita nyo, i-share nyo yung mga struggles during those 2 years. In June.
Thank you po. Nung past 2 years po talaga, parang sobrang dami na po nangyari. Parang 10 years. Ay, okay. Parang ang dami na po talaga po namin pinagdaanan po. Pero, yung good thing po is we have each other po. Like, before po kasi, parang lagi po akong, kasi po nag-adjust po kami sa isa't isa po. Kunyari po, before po kami mag-lock-in, mag-routine, nagtanong po ako sa kanila, guys, ano bang pet peeve nyo para maiwasan? Yung ganun po. Tapos nilist down ko po sa notes ko po. Tapos, at first po, nag-adjust po kami first few months. meron po may ayaw ng ganito, may gusto po ng ganito, hanggang sa ngayon po, super kapang-kapang po namin isa't isa. And sa 2 years po na yung experience po namin with singing and dancing na training po, ako po hindi po talaga ako dancer. Before po, nagda-dance sa school lang po, yung mga dance group lang po, gano'n. Pero hindi po ako nakapag-train in professional way po ng dancing. Pero senior po ako ever since bata po ako. So, new experience po talaga po dito and super na-enjoy ko po. Alright. Angelica? Ako naman po, super happy po ng overall process kasi po, sama-sama po, sabay-sabay po kami pumasok, so sabay-sabay po kami medyo nangangapa. Pero since we have each other's back naman po, naging smooth po and madali po yun. Hindi po madali, pero naging madali po because po of everyone po. And po, super happy to have them po. And syempre, mag-music po.
Hold on. Tanong ko lang, before Ayaki answers. Kasi yung parang curious ako yung mga pinagdaan ng hirap ng ladies, parang what was the hardest po? Long nights ba? Or pag-rolling training? And also, of course, si Ayaki, syempre, yung ibang kultura. So, yun, pa-share na lang.
Yeah. So what were the hardest moments that you guys had to get past in order to get here? Parang gano'n.
Yun po, since taga-Japan nga po ako with my family. Siyempre po, super hirap na malayo sa family and I don't get to see them that often. Pero shoutout pa na dito yung mom ko today! Siyempre po, super thankful po kami lahat sa aming families kasi kaniyan po nila kami na i-pursue po itong dream na to. And pero po for me, parang nalesen po yung hirap ng pag-adjust ko for moving from a country to here, from a different country to the Philippines. Kasi with my sisters, super, tawag dito, pero never po ako nahirapan sa lungkot kasi lagi po silang nandyan. And, may umiiyak. Sorry. Yun po, tawag dito. Yun nga po, since I came from acting, yung singing and dancing, yung intensive training, it started when I really joined Wing. And thank you to our coaches po na ngayon nandito na po kami. It's fulfilling na we're debuting and we get to share stories, our backgrounds, and our music. Thank you po.
Alright. What about you, Wake Audrey? What do you think was the hardest moment or that moment that you had to get past para makarating siya dito?
Yung training po namin, we have our dance training, vocal training, endurance, and nagbaboxing din po kami. Yes. So, talagang physical, we need to be healthy po. And, ayun po, sa lahat po ng yun, away po kami lahat sa family namin. So, I think it's the hardest part for us.
I agree po. Kasi actually lahat po kasi kami bunso po kami ng families namin. So, ayun, medyo minsan ng mga unang parts syempre dapat napapagod, na homesick po kami syempre. Gusto ko nang umuwi. Pero nagpupursige pa rin po kami kasi we're doing this also not just for ourselves but for them din po.
Thank you. Yung second question ko is, so, background lang was one interview ko si Daisy Tangier, and she said that she came from Vigos to a family na hindi supportive initially sa kanyang intention to pursue music. Kasi nga, syempre, mas gusto ng parents niya na ibang job na lang. Kayo, sabi mo nga, importante sa inyong family, was there ever a point na sinabihan kayo ng parents na, o ibang career na lang kasi mahirap sa showbiz, sa music, sa entertainment industry, ganun?
Alright, who would like to start with that? Meron bang family experience na not always 100% positive?
For me, personally, hindi naman po kasi they were always supportive po sa kung ano kung ano gusto kong i-pursue. Kaya, and ano rin po kasi sila, serious din po kasi yung mom and dad ko. Kaya, ayun, wala naman po. For me po, personally.
Alright.
Wala rin naman po. Ever since po, napaka-supportive ko ng buong family ko. And hindi po ako, wala po akong na-experience na kahit anong pang-down ng family. And ayun, they just keep on uplifting po ako para ma-reach ko po yung dreams ko.
Yung pa having mentioned that from Japan, tapos mag-isa lang po ako. Siyempre po, super worried po yung parents ko at first. Super tawag dito. Yung nag-aalala po sila kung kaya ko ba talaga. Pero I'm fortunate enough to have supportive parents ko na at the end of the day na naintindihan po nila na ito po talaga yung gusto ko po.
Sa akin naman po, personally po, super supportive po ng family ko. Dito po sila lahat. So very, very thankful po and blessed to have them since bata po ako. Ako po yung parang super shy. Sobrang nahihiyan po ako on stage, pero sila po yung nagbibigay ng energy po para palakasin yung loob ko po. So very thankful po to have a family like that.
Thank you, Angelica. What about with Jean?
Ako po, since bata po talaga, super supportive na po sila. Parang nung na-discover po nila na gusto ko pong kumanta, parang sila po, o sige, pag-aralan natin yung kumanta, mag-schedule ka. So parang hanggang pagtanda ko po, supportive pa rin po sila. Kaya po, I'm very grateful po na finally, nandito po sila. Super grateful po kasi ever since bata po, hindi po nila sinukuan yung pangarap ko po. Kasi po sila pa po yung nagpupush ko sa akin na, sige, try mo, malay mo, ito na talaga yun. Malay mo, ito na talaga yung time mo. Kahit student ka. Kahit student ka. As a med student po, parang naiintindihan naman po nila na kung ano mo yung gusto ko yung puso ko, yung lalabog ko yung sino ko. And there's always time for studying po.
Paano mo ita-type yun? Glenn? W-I-N-A o dalawang B?
Alright, thank you very much. Thank you.
So,
We have
dalawang
one more question.
Style.
Over there in the back.
Dalawang B.
There, one more question.
Capital B, small b. Dalawa, kadikit.
Thank you so much for your questions so far.
Kailangan capital pa rin. Para magmukhang double.
So I just wanted to congratulate you for sharing. And I want to ask you, like, what are you looking forward to now that you're at the
Kasi pag mali,
alright, what do you guys foresee for yourselves? What are you looking forward to?
Hindi na siya magiging...
Our music being celebrated all over the world. Yes! Playing, sige, manifest. Anybody else who would like to add to that? Going kaya ka?
Ayan, ito na yung
para sa name pa lang nila na curious na yung
syempre po, we cannot spell too much, but we have a common songs, releases, future events, live, because now we get to connect more with more people, more audience, and to share ways to
mo sa chat.
Alright, anybody else?
Capital B. Siya lang yung masa.
What are you looking forward to?
Yes, small letter I-N-A. Para maging big.
Pwede naman.
Small
Pwede rin naman yung ganyan.
All caps.
Pwede rin.
Diba? Mukhang wing.
Ayun po. And I'm looking forward po sa
mas mukha siyang wing.
Ayun po. Alright, thank you very much, Wing, Jean, and everybody, palakpakan naman natin.